back at GAC and I'm with my friend Karabo again today.
Hello, Alan.
Karabo, you know what I've noticed with you guys is every month you've got a great special. You're always coming up with something different each month. So this month you've chosen the MotorMatters, which of course is the family SUV, 100%. The bigger brother in the range.
Yes, sir.
And what you've done is the normal deal on an MotorMatters is a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer service
plan. Yes.
You've just decided this month, with your great prices already, to upgrade that to a full maintenance plan. Still 5 years, 100,000 kilometers, but full maintenance. Now, my question is, what's the difference between a service plan and a maintenance plan?
Thank you, Alan. Thank you for the question. To your point, so this month on the MotorMatters, we do have a full maintenance plan, and then maybe some of our customers or clients, they don't really understand the difference between the service plan and the maintenance plan. Quite important that we mention that on maintenance plan only, it covers your wear and tear that service plan doesn't necessarily cover. Just to mention a few, we'll talk about your on the wheels. We'll cover your what do you call them?
The brakes.
The brakes. We'll cover the brakes. Also we'll cover things like your wipers as well. We'll cover even some of the components on the clutch that normally your service plan wouldn't necessarily cover.
Okay, so let's turn it around.
Okay.
And I love the word of full maintenance plan.
Maintenance plan.
What's not covered by a full maintenance plan? So when I come and I sign up for an MotorMatters at a great price, I get my whole deal, I know what I'm in for, and I'm not going to get surprises when I come in every 12 months or 15,000 kilometers, right?
100%. Thanks for the question once again. So full maintenance plan wouldn't cover things like your tires. It's not covered. But it covers key important things like your battery. During a period of 1 year, we will be able to replace your battery because it's covered under our full maintenance plan on the MotorMatters.
So at the end of the day, you buy your car, you sign up for your finance if you're financing it, and all you actually really have to worry about for the next 5 years is tires and fuel.
100%.
What a deal.
What a deal.
Get down to GAC now.